Hello students, welcome to the class. It is our mathematics class. Today we will learn about geometrical shapes. Okay. So what are the geometrical shapes? You have seen there are things are arranged in a shape, right? Every thing have a different shape, right? Everything has a different shape. So what are the names of these shapes we will learn today? See, this is a circle. You can see whom we can call a circle. That is round, right? That is round. We can call a circle. A circle have no corners. So, and it doesn't have a straight side, right? This board have a straight side. This is a straight side. But a circle doesn't have a straight side. So a circle doesn't have any corner or any straight side. So this is called a circle. It is round. Circle is round. Now, what are the things you have seen that these are circle? You can call them circle. What are the things you have seen? There are swimming tubes which are in circle. There are rings which are in circle, right? Circle rings are in circle. The swimming tubes are circle. And other things, the clock also. The round clock is also a circle, right? So this is called a circle. And this shape has a four straight lines, right? The four equal sides. It has four equal sides. All the sides are equal. The four equal sides. This shape is called square. It has four equal sides and four corners also. These are corners, right? So four equal corners and four equal sides. It is called a square. This is called a square. So whom we call a square? That have four equal sides and four equal corners. That shape we will call a square. What are the things you have seen that is square? You have seen the Ludo board, right? You have seen the Ludo square or snake and ladder board. That is a square. You can say sometimes it is a square, sometimes it is rectangular. Okay. So what are the shapes you have seen? What are the things you have seen in square shape? You have seen the carom board is in square shape. Have you seen carom board? Carom board is in square shape. And chess board also. Have you played chess yet? Chess board also is in square shape. Okay. Next, this picture, can you see this shape? It has two equal sides. That means this side and this side is equal. And this side and this smaller side is equal, right? So two equal sides. You can say that rectangle has two equal sides. Opposite sides are equal. It has four sides, but opposite sides are equal, and corners are same, right? Corners are, how many corners it has? It has four corners, and its opposite sides are equal. Not all the sides. Square have all the sides are equal, right? But a rectangle, only opposite sides are equal. So this is a rectangle. Its four sides are not equal. Its only opposite sides are equal. It has four corners and four sides. But square, all the sides are equal. But rectangle have only opposite sides are equal. Okay, so this is a rectangle. What are the things you have seen in a rectangular shape? You have seen the mobile. That is a rectangular shape. This board is rectangular shape because this side and this side is equal, and this side and that side are equal. So it has opposite sides are equal. So board is also a rectangular shape. You have seen the benches, right? Benches are in rectangular shape. Tables are in rectangular shape, right? So these are the things are in rectangular shape. These have three sides, right? 1, 2 and 3. Three sides. And three corners also. 1, 2 and 3. So it has three sides and three corners. This is called a triangle. is a triangle. What are the things you have seen in triangular shape? What are the things? You have seen the sandwich. You have seen the sandwich in triangular shape, right? You have seen the sandwich in triangular shape. And other things, that means when you cut a cake, there is a triangular shape. If you cut the cake, this is a triangular shape, right? So when you cut a cake that is a triangular shape, you have seen the sandwiches that have triangular shape, right? You have seen ice cream cones. Ice cream cones are in also triangular shape. Not actually triangular, but you can say that it have a triangular shape. This is ice cream cone. So one side, two side, and if you join this, then it is a three side. It is also a triangular shape, right? Ice cream cone is also a triangular shape. So these are the four basic shapes you should know, and you will read this chapter very well, very carefully. You will read this chapter. When we call a circle, when a shape is known as square, when we call it is a rectangle, or when rectangle spelling is wrong, I have written. Okay. When it is called a rectangle, or when we call it is a triangle. Okay. So this shapes you will learn very carefully. You will see the similar images with this shapes. You will read the similar images also. Okay. Hope you have understand. Thank you for watching.